we get a lot of great reviews, and people really appreciate what we do. And I guess one of the main things they say to us, you seem to make it easy. I mean, I call you up, and the truck comes out, picks the rugs up. They come back in a week. You put them down. They look great, and it's just so easy. And to us, it really isn't easy. It's just what we do, and we're used to doing it, and we're happy to. We're trying to make as many happy customers as we can, and we've been pretty good at it. Whether you send us one rug or a house full of rugs, they're all getting special attention, and they're going to come back to you in the best possible way that they can. I think what sets us apart from the competition is that we have the experience. We've been doing this for 97 years. I'm blessed with a staff that's been with me for decades, and we really care about what we do, and we're very proud of the product that we put out. My family's been in business since 1923. My grandparents were immigrants and started the business at Walnut Street, and we're now in our fourth generation. So the process has evolved through the years, and with my son Matthew adding some new tricks and some new procedures and some new equipment, we've kind of stepped up our game. When a rug comes into the building, the most important thing is to check the rug in carefully. Make sure you're notating any problems the rug may have or anything that the rug may need in the way of repairs. The next procedure is a dusting process to try to get all the dry particles out of the rug before you wash it. And we have a sophisticated tumble duster that rugs can go in and gently tumble over, and a lot of the dry matter falls out. And then of course it goes into the wash process, and we're very proud of our facility. Matthew built a whole new wash floor over the winter when we were closed, and basically it's all in an effort to get your rugs as clean as humanly possible. Once the rug's clean and then it hang dries in a controlled dry room, it's ready for a finishing procedure where we're grooming the rugs, grooming the fringes, and preparing them to be rolled and to go out for delivery. So it's a lot of steps to the procedure, but they're all important. The majority of our customers enjoy our pickup and delivery service. We have 2 men on every truck, and we go to people's homes all day long and pick up their rugs, whether they have them, out on the front porch or we're rolling them up, from the furniture. We can handle it any way. If you use our services, you're going to see 2 professional people come to your home. They're going to be masked and gloved, and they're going to be trying to limit their time in your home for your safety and for the safety of our employees. We realize this is COVID-19 is serious stuff, and we take all the processes very seriously. Our service area through the years has grown. We like to say that we serve the tri-state area. Well, we're very proud of the fact that we've grown into one of the largest rug cleaners in the country. I mean, anything to do with rugs, we'd like you hopefully to think of us